This messy Wi-Fi corner is ruining so many homes. But trust me, fixing it is easier than you can think. Give me 2 minutes and it'll completely disappear. Timer starts now. So I went looking for something that would hide the mess but not block the Wi-Fi. As I went to this local cane shop, and while looking at all of the beautiful things they had, from the cane baskets to the swings to lanterns, there was one particular item that caught my eye. It's this one, this basket. Except the color. And for that, I requested the shopkeeper to color it in teak wood finish, which would then match with the other finishes in my home. And it came out beautifully at just an extra $100. Now, why I particularly chose this cane basket was because of its woven kind of a design. It helps me take the cords inside through easily and conceal them while I place it on the wall. Now what we've done is we've drilled 2 small holes onto the wall, inserted the J screws and hung this basket on it. Here I'm checking the durability, the strength and the finish, and it's looking perfect. As a next step, we now weave through the cords and conceal it nicely. To add to the beauty, I'm installing a beautiful wall art that I had on top of this console table. Added a plant, some candles, and that's the complete look. Would you believe that particular woven basket now holds a router, a modem, a lot of wires, switchboard as well. It's beautifully concealed behind the basket. And this wall has now been transformed to this beauty. Same wall, same Wi-Fi router, and that same ugly wire mess. But where is it even? Like I promised, I have made it disappear. It is now part of that intentional decor. I do this with everyday spaces. Those ugly corners, those messy wires, those unused spaces, I transform them. If you enjoy such content, subscribe for more. Save this for later. You will need it.